Get in there.
Ooh. Yeah.
Yep.
I'm so stiff.
You stiff?
Yeah. I can feel it. I feel it though.
You feel relief?
A little bit. I'm a project though. Like I'm a project.
Just
Like,
wait till you get to the other side.
yeah. Maybe my other side be like your side.
Yeah.
I know I'm a piece of work though. Yeah.
We're gonna
Cause
get
you
it.
stiff as hell.
We're gonna get it.
He finna get in there. He'll just fuck my legs. You talking about?
There you go. Relax. Deep breath in and out.
So he getting there. He getting there.
You okay?
That's Christian Dior, the cologne. Yeah, okay. I got a little bit in me. I was like, it's, okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, all right.
You feel
Yeah,
better?
we getting there. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. If I fart, I'm so sorry.
I tried my best to hold it. I didn't know I was gonna fart.
Cause I'm trying to relax, you know what I'm saying?
You're good. You're fine.
I'm pretty sure this won't be the first time this has happened.
Yeah.
Deep breath in and out.
Oh, I heard that. Oh, oh, I heard that. Oh. All you can do is laugh.
I can't say nothing.
All you can do is laugh.
Oh, yes.
How you feel?
I'm getting there.
You getting there?
Mm-hmm.
I know you stiff as a motherfucker.
Yeah, I don't get no stiffer than this.
Yeah, true.
I'm like 75.
Stop playing.
Okay, 65.
You're gonna feel real loose after this. That Ystrap.
Oh, man.
Now relax.
I'm relaxed. I'm just stiff as hell. Oh.
Feel good?
I could go to sleep. I could. Yeah, I need the other side. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, shit. Oh. Fuck.
Oh yeah.
Oh, man.
You need to come see him like every month for your step dance.
I'll come. That's fine. I'll be here. Oh, man.
Okay, don't roll over because you know.
Oh. I don't even want to. Oh.
You don't know where you're at.
Why you can't go to a woman? Like, we got extra room.
Okay, you just come with us.
Our baby don't cry. You know what I'm saying? We got a good baby. I cook good food, man. We got a pool, Wi-Fi. Oh, okay. I'm good. I'm ready. Ah. Oh. Woo.
He said, woo.
I might.
He said, woo. You know,
I was like, damn.
he said, woo.
See, I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
I heard that.
I might be like 2 inches tall after this.
I heard
I'm
that.
feeling like pressure relieved.
You feeling good?
Yeah, like especially on my legs though. Like, yeah, I don't feel nothing in my knees no more.
Oh, that shit.
Whew. Oh man. The trust is here. Whatever you gotta do, do it. Do it.
Oh, gee.
Oh man.
Deep breath in. And out.
You alive?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
If he left me right here, I promise you I'll go to sleep. Like you could lock the door, cut the lights, so I'll be right here when you come back. Oh, I can stretch. I can. I ain't gonna try it yet. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till I'm done.
10 out of 10?
I see how you feel, cause I'm like, I don't even, like for a split second, I forgot where I was. I forgot who I was. I was like in heaven for like 2 seconds.
Yeah. 10 out of 10?
Yes, I would definitely. If he was in Atlanta, I'd just be going, cause I ain't got nothing to do. Like,
Crack me.
whew,
Just
okay.
me.
All right, let's do this.
We're gonna finish, then I'm gonna have you stand up at the end to test how you doing.
Okay. You should have showed me walking in here.
Yes, we should have.
That's what you should have showed. You should have showed me walking up them steps. He might not look heavy-handed, but he is. He'll fuck somebody up.
He was heavy-handed when he grabbed my neck. I'm like, wait, shit. Oh no. He's strong as hell. And then all his veins be popping out.
Oh. Yeah, it don't feel like this at home.
Yeah, no, we don't. We ain't doing it right.
Oh, shit. Yeah, he do his push-ups. Yeah, he eat his vegetables. He grew up big and strong. I don't know.
And then I can see his muscles moving, like in his arm. It's
Oh.
it's like a heartbeat. Like it just pulsing like.
No, I don't think we got the same gun at home.
Yeah, we do.
No, we don't. we might got a Charger. He got a Hellcat, cause oh. I feel like I got a new body. Like,
You feel reborn, like I feel like loose.
yeah, I don't know.
I'm like a new person.
I might try something I ain't never did
Like,
before.
I can just go jump. Oh, hold on now. Hold on.
Yeah, we need a babysitter. I gotta try something real quick.
His neck is loose now.
Oh man.
Feel good.
I really feel like I could touch my toes.
You pretty good.
Try it.
Okay, let me try. Alright. My first attempt was a fail. I feel like water. I can almost get
Almost.
It don't hurt though. Like my back don't hurt.
Yeah.
Like my knees don't hurt. Like my hips. No,
Alright. Show it how.
no, for real though. I feel like I can run. Like earlier, I don't feel like I could have ran. Like if the building got on fire, y'all go ahead.
Okay, we coming up though. What you something to eat? We home for 2 now.
I feel good though.
You feel good?
No, seriously. Like he seen how I was walking. Like
Yeah,
when
you
I
like a whole new
like I was walking like this. Like I already know the walk. It's like this, but I'm trying to stand up straight, but I can't fake it.
You do look a little loose.
Yeah, now. You know what I'm
Yeah.
You might go dancing tonight.
That's why I said I feel like I can dance.
Thank you. You the best, for real. Like.